Hey food enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm unveiling the game changers in my kitchen, the 3 best kitchen scales that'll revolutionize your cooking game. But wait, there's more. Don't miss out on exclusive deals. Check the prices of these must-have scales in the links below. Let's dive in. 1. Accuweight 207 Food Scale. The Accuweight 207 Digital Kitchen Multifunction Food Scale has garnered a mix of reviews, showcasing both its strengths and weaknesses. Users praise its sleek design, easy cleaning, and the aesthetic appeal it adds to kitchen counters. The large black numbers on the glass surface enhance readability, and the replaceable AAA batteries add convenience. Many users find it perfect for everyday kitchen tasks, from measuring cereal to daily meal preparation. Some applaud its versatility with multiple weight options and appreciate its slim profile and sturdy construction. For calorie-conscious individuals, it serves as a reliable ally in tracking food intake with precision. However, accuracy seems to be a recurring concern for some users, especially when measuring small ingredient amounts. The issue becomes apparent in recipes requiring precise measurements, such as for pizza dough. Additionally, a few users mention display visibility problems over time, with fading digits causing readability challenges at certain angles. Despite the discrepancies in accuracy, the scale's functionality, ease of use, and overall durability receive positive feedback. Users note its longevity, with some reporting regular use for several years while maintaining a like-new appearance. The scale's affordability and practical features, such as the lock button for travel, contribute to its appeal for many consumers. 2. SF400 Kitchen Scale. The purchased scale proved to be a versatile addition to various settings, seamlessly transitioning between kitchen and workshop use. Its accuracy, validated through meticulous calibration with weights, instills confidence in its performance. Whether employed in baking or measuring epoxy resin ratios, the scale consistently delivered precise results. Notably, its broad weight range, extending beyond 20 pounds, renders it an asset for parcel shipping needs. However, an unfortunate incident marred the experience for another customer, as their unit arrived broken and non-functional. Such occurrences, though isolated, underscore the importance of robust quality control and shipping measures to ensure customer satisfaction. Despite initial skepticism due to its economical price, the scale exceeded expectations for another user who attests to its extraordinary precision after 2 weeks of regular use. The product's reliability and cost-effectiveness became evident, debunking reservations and validating the choice. In a separate review, a satisfied customer praises the scale for its suitability to their specific needs. The compact design, coupled with the option to hang it on the kitchen wall, enhances convenience. The user commends the scale's precision and reliability, specifically highlighting its efficacy in weighing fruits and vegetables for recipes, adding a touch of enthusiasm with a playful emoji. 3. Greater Goods Gray Food Scale. The food scale in question has proven to be a valuable addition for various users, catering to diverse needs. One reviewer appreciates its compact design, making efficient use of limited space, and notes its prompt delivery and functionality. The inclusion of an extra battery and support for a charitable cause adds to the positive experience, despite some reservations about the absence of a battery life indicator. Another user, who replaced their previous scale after a move, praises the scale's accuracy for their purposes. They conducted a series of tests with consistent results, albeit noting occasional minor discrepancies. Despite lacking a tear indicator, they find the scale accurate enough for their needs. A buyer focused on weight loss found the larger scale suitable for their meal measurements. They creatively used a hot pad cloth to protect against heat, showcasing adaptability. However, they cautioned that precision seekers might need to invest in a more expensive option. One reviewer, utilizing the scale for baking and candy making, expresses disappointment with its slight weight discrepancies and delay in registering changes. Despite its sleek design, they note limitations in handling low weights. On the positive side, users praise the scale's professional packaging, extra battery inclusion, and its contribution to ease of tracking nutritional information. The scale's sensitivity and the necessity to zero it before weighing are mentioned, but overall, it enhances their food tracking experience. In conclusion, the reviews highlight the scale's versatility, compactness, and ease of use, with most users finding it suitable for their needs despite minor quirks.